Introduction to Cross-Platform Clipboard Sharing.
Ever wanted to copy text from your computer to your phone or vice versa? Cross-platform clipboard sharing makes it possible to seamlessly copy and paste text between devices like phones, tablets, and computers. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step methods to easily share your clipboard across different platforms, saving you time and boosting your productivity.
Using built-in features Windows, Mac, and Android.
Windows and Macs offer built-in solutions for clipboard sharing. If you use a Windows PC and an Android phone, Microsoft's SwiftKey keyboard and phone link app let you sync your clipboard. For Mac and iPhone users, Apple's Universal Clipboard feature allows you to copy text on one device and paste it on another, as long as they're signed in to the same Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi.
Third-party apps for seamless clipboard sync.
Not all devices have built-in support, but third-party apps can help. Apps like pushbullet, Clipped, and KDE Connect enable clipboard sharing between nearly any combination of phones, tablets, and computers. Once installed and connected, these tools let you copy and paste text across devices, regardless of platform. Look for apps that prioritize security and ease of use.
Step-by-step, setting up a clipboard sharing app.
Getting started with a clipboard sharing app is usually straightforward. Download the app on each device you want to connect. For example, with pushbullet, create an account and log in on your computer and phone. Enable the clipboard sync feature in the app's settings. Now, when you copy text on one device, it will be available to paste on your other linked devices.
Security and privacy tips.
The clipboard data can include sensitive information. Choose apps with strong privacy policies, secure connections, and transparency about data usage. Avoid copying passwords or confidential information if you use third-party apps. Check the app's permissions on your devices and regularly clear your clipboard to reduce risks.
Troubleshooting and final thoughts.
If clipboard sharing isn't working, try these steps. Ensure both devices are connected to the internet, signed in with the correct accounts, and have clipboard sync enabled. Restart the apps or your devices if needed. Clipboard sharing can greatly streamline your workflow. Experiment with the method that works best for your devices and your needs.